Hey everybody! So, if you burn wood in the fireplace with glass windows, you know they get really black. So, I'm going to show you my trick to cleaning the black off of the fireplace windows. Very easy, simple, and effective. I do use the WoodStove Glass Cleaner, which is for use with wood stoves and fireplace inserts. Now this, when it's sprayed to the window, will dissolve the black off of it. Make sure you have paper towels. Now you can see I have not cleaned the inside of this fireplace out, but how black those windows are. We are fixing to make that clear again. Okay, so what I usually do is I'll rip a few paper towels off and I will lay them underneath the window, just so when this drips off, I don't make such a mess down here. Take the paper towel, place it on the window, okay, so once you place a paper towel up, wet this with the cleaner. The idea is the paper towel will stay wet, it will stay up against the window, which will keep eating that creosote or the black tar, whatever you want to call it, off of the window. Now I'm going to let that soak for a little bit. I'm going to do the other window, and after I get done with the other window, we're going to put the camera up here. I'm going to wipe this away and we'll see what we have left. Now this has soaked for just a few minutes, and you may have to apply a second coat and let that soak depending on the type of wood that you burnt, how black your window is, but it's really coming through down here on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and try and wipe this off, and we'll show you what this looks like. So here we go. Now I do have a little bit left down here on the bottom, so I will go ahead and spray that and let that soak. And that was a bad spot down there. Not too bad. Here we go from the other window. Now, don't judge me. The fireplace needs to be cleaned out and vacuumed. So I'm just demonstrating the window. So I'm just going to grab this, streak across here a little, and you should see in the camera there the difference that makes. And depending on how dry the wood is that you have burnt, and for how long before you have cleaned the window, you may have to apply a second coat. But looks pretty good to me. Okay, there it is. Windows clean. Didn't even take 5 minutes. WoodStove Wood Cleaner. That may be in focus. We picked this up at Menards. I will have a link for it down at the bottom in the description. Check it out. Really good stuff. Hey, if you could, subscribe to the page. We'd love to have you. We try and put articles of wood burning, making food, travel vlogs, kind of a variety on this page. Check it out. You may like it. See you all in the next one.